How to recharge HDFC FASTag online. I am recharging using PayZapp. First of all, open the PayZapp app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged in with your registered mobile number linked to your HDFC account. Next, on the home screen, look for Pay Bill and tap on it. Now, enter your FASTag registered vehicle number or FASTag wallet ID. Then, enter the FASTag recharge amount and click on Pay Now. Select your preferred payment method. Inside PayZapp, you can pay using your linked bank account, credit debit card, or wallet balance. Confirm the payment and complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message or receipt once the recharge is successful. And that's it. Now you know how to recharge HDFC FASTag online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.